Kia ora, this is Mrs. Jackson again. I'm just going through a slightly harder algebra word equation. So Jane has spent $42 on a pair of very cheap shoes. This was $14 less than twice what she spent for a blouse. You're trying to work out how much the blouse was. So let's pretend that the blouse we're going to call X for the blouse. And twice what she spent on it means 2 times the blouse, 2x, less the $14. So less means minus. And that's going to equal what she spent on the shoes, which was $42. So now I just need to go through this equation and solve for x. So the first thing that we do is we get rid of the minus 14 here. And to do that, put my little symbol in here, 2x minus 14 plus 14 takes care of the minus 14, but I need to do the same thing to both sides of the equation. So 42 plus 14. And now we can see that plus 14 and the minus 14 cancel out, so I'm left with the 2x. Equivalent sign there. 2x is equal to 42 plus 15, which is 56. Now I need to get rid of the 2, and this is 2 times x, remember, so I'm going to divide by 2, because those are opposite operations. And if I do divide by 2 to this side, I have to do the same thing to the other side of the equation. So 56 divided by 2. Now I can cancel out the 2's, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that leaves me just with x. And I've got 56 divided by 2, which is 28, and that's x. And if I put that number back into the equation at the very beginning to double check, it should make sense and be a true equation now. 2 times 28 is 56, minus 14 is 42.